This is Dan Stanty with the Sano Stanty Real Estate Group at Real Broker. We're coming to you today from the beautiful community of Point McKay. Step inside with us as we take a look at a stunning townhouse just coming to market. Now we have got to start in the kitchen, truly the showcase for this home. Beautiful quartz countertops, modern and sleek cabinets, stainless steel appliances, just a really refreshing place to cook and entertain. Now this is a complete renovation. From an upgraded gas fireplace to triple pane windows, flat ceilings, LED lighting. Call us today because this home could have everything that you're looking for.